Welcome. This is a product overview of ComplianceForge's core fundamentals, policies, and standards, built on the Secure Controls Framework's core baseline for small and mid-sized businesses. Over the next few minutes, we will walk through what it is, who it is for, what is included, and how it compares to writing this documentation yourself. Policies and standards for the SCF, Cybersecurity Oversight, Resilience and Enablement Fundamentals. A straightforward compliance solution for Texas Senate Bill 2610. Editable Microsoft Word and Excel templates that enable tailoring for your organization's specific needs. And immense time and cost savings, since the policies and standards require minimal effort to customize. Is your small or mid-sized business expected to prove it has reasonable cybersecurity practices? With what you have right now, could you show documented policies and standards to a customer, insurer, or regulator? Or are they incomplete, outdated, or non-existent? Building this from scratch is a heavy lift for a lean team. The core fundamentals gives you a running start. It is built on the core baseline from the Secure Controls Framework, also known as the SCF. That is a tailored set of 68 controls across 20 domains, specifically designed for smaller organizations. The templates get you roughly 80 to 90% of the way there. The core fundamentals consists of policies, control objectives, standards, guidelines, and controls from the SCF. Some context on where this product comes from. The genesis of the core fundamentals came from Texas Senate Bill 2610, which named the SCF as one of a select few cybersecurity frameworks with adequacy to provide necessary security coverage. Texas Senate Bill 2610 is the latest in a line of U.S. state-level cybersecurity safe harbor laws. These laws provide legal protection for businesses if, at the time of an incident, the business can prove it implemented reasonable cybersecurity practices. This kind of legislation is meant to encourage smaller businesses to invest in cybersecurity to reduce their legal exposure. The control set is scoped to protect people, processes, technologies, data, and facilities against common threats, while remaining attainable for small and medium businesses. And because it includes many of the requirements found in NIST CSF 2.0, it makes an excellent starting point on a path of maturity toward full NIST CSF alignment. The core fundamentals is a one-time purchase of editable Microsoft Office-based documentation templates. There is no software to install, no agent to deploy, no account to provision, and no cloud environment to configure. It is delivered as a fully editable Word file with a companion Excel mapping compatible with Word, 2016 and newer, Microsoft 365, OpenOffice, LibreOffice, and Google Docs. Documentation is delivered via email download link within 1 to 2 business days of purchase. There is no installer, no license server, and no activation step. A single entity license is included with purchase. There is no recurring subscription requirement, although an optional update subscription is available as the SCF and core baseline evolve. This deployment model is intentional. Cybersecurity documentation benefits from being in the organization's own hands, inside your own version control and document management systems, rather than locked inside a vendor's SaaS tool. Once delivered, this product belongs to you. The core fundamentals addresses the most common problems smaller businesses face when standing up a cybersecurity program for the first time, or qualifying for a state-level cybersecurity safe harbor. The first is a lack of in-house security documentation experience. Writing security documentation is a skill that many good cybersecurity professionals simply are not proficient at, and tasking your analysts and engineers to write it means taking them away from protecting and defending your network. The second is compliance requirements. Nearly every organization is required to have formally documented security policies and standards, with requirements ranging from PCI DSS to HIPAA to NIST 800-171. The third is audit failures. Security documentation does not age gracefully like a fine wine, and outdated documentation leads to gaps that expose organizations to audit failures and system compromises. And the fourth is vendor requirements. It is very common for clients and partners to request evidence of a security program, and that includes policies and standards. The core fundamentals delivers 4 outcomes. The first is clear documentation. You receive comprehensive documentation to prove that your security program exists, saving hundreds of hours and tens of thousands of dollars in staff and consultant expenses. The second is time savings. It is a semi-customized solution that requires minimal resources to fine-tune for your organization's specific needs. The third is alignment with over 200 frameworks. Because the core fundamentals has a one-to-one mapping to the SCF, it inherits crosswalks to over 200 leading laws, regulations, and industry frameworks at no extra effort. And the fourth is being safe harbor ready. It is designed specifically to satisfy the reasonable practices requirements of Texas Senate Bill 2610 and similar state cybersecurity safe harbor laws, providing the documented evidence required to claim that protection. So what do you actually receive? Purchase includes a single entity license, the first year of product updates, and 4 content components. The Microsoft Word document, a cover page and document control template, 20 policies organized by SCF domain, 68 controls with detailed standards, and audit-ready mandatory language throughout. The SCF crosswalk mapping, an Excel companion mapping document with a one-to-one mapping to SCF controls. The crosswalks inherited from the SCF cover over 200 leading frameworks, including NIST CSF 2.0, NIST 800-171, ISO 27002, PCI-DSS, HIPAA, and Texas Senate Bill 2610. SCF component integration. It integrates several key SCF components, including the cybersecurity and data privacy principles, the data privacy management principles, the capability maturity model, and the risk management model. And it pairs with the matching procedures. The Core Fundamentals provides the policies and standards, the why and the what. The companion Core Fundamentals procedures provides the how, with step-by-step procedures mapped one-to-one to the standards. Most smaller businesses purchase both as a bundle. Now compare that against the 2 alternatives for obtaining quality cybersecurity documentation. For your internal staff to generate comparable documentation, it would take them an estimated 240 internal staff work hours, which equates to a cost of approximately $22,500 in staff-related expenses. That is about 4 to 6 months of development time. If you hire a consultant, it would take an estimated 180 consultant work hours, which equates to a cost of approximately $57,000. That is about 2 to 3 months of development time. The Core Fundamentals is approximately 3% of the cost for your internal staff and approximately 1% of the cost for an external consultant to generate equivalent documentation. The Core Fundamentals itself is $600. PDF examples of both the policies and standards document and the crosswalk mapping are available on the product page, so you can see the quality and structure before you buy. So how much work is left for you? ComplianceForge aims for approximately a 90% solution because it is impossible to write a 100% cookie-cutter document that can be equally applied across every organization. In practice, customization is filling in the blanks, adding your company name and logo, which ComplianceForge applies for you before delivery, tailoring parameters such as review cadences and thresholds, naming specific owner roles, and removing sections that do not apply to your scope. If you want a hand, ComplianceForge offers optional professional services. They are not required to customize ComplianceForge documentation. The 5-hour bundle may be beneficial for companies that need some guidance on getting started. The 10-hour bundle is for companies that need additional guidance on tailoring their documentation to meet their compliance requirements. And the 20-hour bundle is for companies that need robust services beyond just 10 hours. Purchased professional service hours expire 120 days, or 4 months, from the time of purchase if unused. Hours are intended to supplement, not replace, your own customization work. The Core Fundamentals is intentionally specialized for smaller businesses that need a starting point on a cybersecurity safe harbor journey. The 68 controls across 20 domains are scoped to be achievable for organizations without dedicated GRC teams, while still providing the documented evidence required to claim Texas Senate Bill 2610 protection. If your organization is larger or needs to address multiple regulated frameworks at once, the SCRP or a baseline-aligned CDPP is the recommended alternative. If the primary goal is safe harbor compliance with room to grow toward NIST CSF 2.0 alignment, the Core Fundamentals provides the most direct fit. One more reason to buy. The Core Fundamentals answers the what and the why questions for small business cybersecurity through policies and standards. The matching Core Fundamentals procedures answers the how question, with step-by-step procedures that map one-to-one to the standards. Buying both as a bundle is the most common configuration for smaller businesses that want a complete documentation set. And procedures are not optional from an audit or safe harbor standpoint. Auditors need to verify that standards are actually implemented in operational practice. The Core Fundamentals is designed for the leadership of smaller businesses who need to demonstrate reasonable cybersecurity practices to investors, insurers, customers, and regulators. Safe harbor laws are increasingly making cybersecurity a board-level concern, even at smaller organizations. The product also integrates the SCF, Capability Maturity Model and Risk Management Model, which give leadership concrete tools to measure program maturity and prioritize risk remediation without needing to build those frameworks from scratch. If you have any questions, please email support@ComplianceForge.com or call 1-307-241-8740. We've been helping organizations since 2005, and we are always happy to help.